Okay, LZ 2280 zigzag machine that can sew a stretch material, and it can do zigzag and straight. And right now we're going to demonstrate the machine to you. You can use also the zipper foot and a tiny foot for a tiny stitch. And right now go ahead. As you see the zigzag stitch, back and forth, very even, very nice, quiet motor. It's a Lincoln Motors. And now we're gonna go on the leather. Go ahead, put the leather on. Okay, here as you see, now we're sewing a beautiful stitch. You can make it wider or narrow or closer. And it's stretch for bathing suit, as you see how stretched it is. Okay, back and forth, beautiful stitch. And now we're gonna sew the leather. Go ahead. So now if you want to sew leather zigzag or straight stitch, you can do the same thing. As you see the stitch coming out, very beautiful, front and back, very nice. You can do white stitch, narrow, anything you like. Thank you very much for visiting Atlas USA.